2D animations to teach cataract surgery. Do it yourself with PowerPoint. All of us know, excelling cataract surgery, we need to understand the basics and concepts of surgical steps, for which there are various theory books, diagrams, illustrations, and surgical videos. However, for a beginner, understanding a surgery can be complex. Animations are a simple way of conveying complex concepts so that everyone can understand easily. Surgical animations can simplify complex surgical steps, increases the confidence of the surgeon, resulting in good outcomes. However, to create such animations, we need to hire a professional, spend huge amount of money and time. We need to keep explaining everything to the non-medical technician. I, being an SACS trainer, always wanted a simple and easy animation which I can myself make to enhance the teaching. I wanted a Jugaad solution. Then we came up with an idea of using our most loved software for presentations, that is PowerPoint, to create various animations to teach SACS steps. With its features of drawing, transitions, and animations, we created a bunch of illustrations. Let me show a few examples. To make sclerocorneal tunnel, we use a crescent knife, and we always teach the residents to get an ideal tunnel. We need to keep the heel of the crescent up while dissecting the sclera and heel down while dissecting the cornea. This is done to follow the curvature of the globe. If we don't change the direction, then we will land up in premature entry, and if we lift too much, we will end up in buttonhole. Beginners tend to fail making side pockets of scalar tunnel, which leads to bottleneck configuration of tunnel, causing nucleus to stuck at the wound, and hence creating the side pocket makes nucleus delivery smooth and safe. We should always inject the fluid or visco through Sideport after entering the AC. If we inject within the wound, it can cause desperate membrane detachment. While Vectis delivery of nucleus, we should always visualize the inferior margin of the Vectis. If the inferior margin of the Vectis is not visible, it means it's under the iris and can cause inferior iridodialysis. While doing cortex wash, if we depress the lower lip of the wound, it leads to wound opening and collapse of the anterior chamber. At the same time, if we lift the upper lip of the wound, the fluid keeps the anterior chamber formed. This one is my favorite. It's called elephant rule. Elephant cannot be pulled using its tail. Similarly, cortex cannot be removed holding a thin cortical fiber. Right? It's easier to pull the elephant with its bigger trunk. We can remove the cortex by holding a bigger area. Finally, we should always remove the cortex sheath by holding its anterior part. If we try to catch the posterior part to remove the cortex, it can lead to inadvertent PC touch and PC tear. We have uploaded a bunch of all these animations along with the surgical videos called the M6 series in our hospital official YouTube channel. And the whole series has got a cumulative view of around 1 lakh plus. Recently, an international online library quoted our M6 series as one of the valuable resources to learn SHS. In conclusion, PowerPoint is a simple and easy software to create animations, which can be done by ourselves, doesn't consume much time, and can be used to create slides as well as videos. Thank you.